Good afternoon, welcome. This is Waec year 2018 Commerce Past Question. Question number 27 says a ship means of carry bulky goods over long distance is that. That is, when we talk of ship means that is easy. That is easy. That is easy. Then bulky goods means heavy goods or heavy consignment for a long journey, long distance. That is long journey. Which of these means or type of transportation will be good for it? A. Rail transportation. B. Road transportation. C. Air transportation. D. Pipeline transportation. The correct option here is rail transportation. To carry heavy load is rail transportation. However, rail transportation is also known as what we call train transportation. Train transportation. And I want to talk of rail transportation. By definition, rail transportation convey heavy and bulky goods. That is the simple way to understand rail transportation or train transportation. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.